Do you guys need to scream? Is the screaming necessary? Hi guys, it's me Samantha here today with another video, and today we are going to talk about Givemeglow's new Vivid Rose palette. I have been wanting to try Givemeglow all year, and I finally decided to bite the bullet. This summer they came out with this highlighter, the California, what's it called? California Love, I think. It was like a series of 3 highlighters, and I really wanted it, but I didn't want to purchase just one highlighter. The palette that was released at the time was Summer Vibes, and I was kind of unsure, so I didn't purchase from them. So they came out with this new Vivid Rose palette for Christmas, and I figured since I'm going to be ordering that, I can finally get this highlighter. California Dreaming, that's what it is. And this is what she looks like. She's like a pink to gold highlight. Really beautiful. We're going to use that today. I already have the rest of my complexion on. And I'll put the items that I'm using in the description box below. But I'm kind of busy today, and I didn't have time to do a full-on makeup video. So I wanted to just kind of at least put on the eyes with you guys. I also purchased the Vintage Rose palette that looked like this. I was tempted for the Christmas one, but I felt like this had red and green, and it was really beautiful. And yeah, we're not going to play with this one today, but I just wanted to say I got it, and maybe ask you guys if you're interested in seeing a tutorial with this to please comment below, and I will possibly do that. So let's take her out of the packaging, which matches the sleeves. The pans on these are enormous. They remind me a lot of Juvia's Place. And there is a mirror, and this is what she looks like. Pinks and purples. It kind of also reminds me of the Juvia's Place, like mauves and violets, or pinks and purples, or whatever little 6 pans that they had. But I wanted to give it a try, so here we go. I think I'm gonna go with purple on the top, and then maybe put that peony pink, hot pink on the bottom lash line. So we're gonna start with this shade here, which is He Loves Me, and I'm just gonna grab a big fluffy brush. This is a Luxie 250. I don't really use this much. I got it in like one of those subscription boxes a long time ago. I'm gonna zoom you in. Hello. Hi, how are you? Oh, eye base. I actually am going to do something bizarre. I'm going to use this CoverGirl True Blend Uncover Concealer in the shade Golden Amber as an eye base, because I hate this as a concealer. Actually, I'm going to use Soft Tan because it's too drying. So I thought maybe I'll use it as a eye base, and I don't do that. So we're going to experiment. Hopefully it doesn't change you know, how the shadows look. I don't think it would. So when I use this concealer, I don't even need to powder it, but it just is so drying that I just would rather not use it. So I was like, let's try to see if I can use it as an eye base, so I'm not being wasteful. So here's that concealer as my eye base. I'm gonna go into He Loves Me. Yeah, I was kind of nervous because I was like, I kind of have these shades on repeat, but I really enjoy these shades, and I just went for it. So that's what it looks like. It shows up on my skin. It's not super vibrant, but it looks like it does in the pan, and so I'm not going to complain. We're going to take a more tapered brush, the 507 from, actually we're going to do the M506 from Morphe. This is probably one of my favorite brushes, you guys. If any of you guys have been following me for a while, you know that I love this brush because it's such a beautiful small detail brush. It really gets where I need it to get. And I'm just putting that on the outer half and then flicking it a little. And I'm trying to make sure I really get it in the crease here because I have a bad habit of not doing that. And then I noticed it later in photos. And that's Talk Dirt to Me. First one was He Loves Me, and the second one was Talk Dirt to Me, which I deepened it, but I'm going to deepen it a little bit more with that one called Flower Power. And I'm going to use the same M506 brush. It's so warm and pretty. I'm just going to take the fluffy brush. I'm not going to add anything to it, and I'm just going to blend the edges. You can see the hood of my eye a little, like it's kind of bringing it down more, so I'm going to try to go back with the Talk Dirt to Me and see if I can give the illusion of that being lifted. Cleaning my brush a little bit, and I'm going to use that same brush and just go in with the first shade, He Loves Me, and bring it up higher. That looks great. And then I'm going to take Guns N' Roses and put that all over the lid. I'm going to use the mirror in the palette. Oh, she is Yosha. Oh, that's so pretty. And then I'm going to take Pedal to the Metal, just that lilac color. Ooh, look at that. And I'm going to put that on top. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, that is just divine. Oh my goodness. I'm going to take my rounded pencil brush and take that same color, Pedal to the Metal, and put that in my inner corner. That mirror still has a film on it, so it's hard to tell. Oh, so pretty. Okay, and now we're going to take the Pretty Peony, which is that hot pink, and I'm going to put that on the lower lash line. I'm going to take the 507, which is clean, and put that on the lower lash line. Alright, I have this flat angled brush. It's an old one from BH, but I'm going to use that. And I'm going to go into Pop of Pink. We're going to bring in Flower Power. Oh, that looks so much fun. So much fun. I'm going to take the Pink Rosé. So this was the Pink Peony that I went in first with, and then I added this pop of pink, and now I'm going to take Pink Rosé, which is a champagne pink, and I'm going to go over the lower lash line, the front of it, and even a little bit over the inner corner. Kind of marry those two shades. Oh, that looks so pretty. All right, so we're gonna catch the other eye up and then I will start with the highlight. I also wanted to note that I'm trying this Wet n Wild Skinny Mascara. It's waterproof for my lower lash line. I know that some people use, so loud, so rude, separate mascaras for their lower lash line, and I wanted to try that. And this has like the ultimate skinny little wand, so I'm gonna try this. I think I'm gonna have to do 2 coats to really get the effect I want. I like those little perfect little creepy crawly lower lashes. I enjoy a waterproof liner just because I have a lot of smudging that usually happens underneath my eyes, so hopefully that works. And then I'm going to use the tried and true Superhero mascara. This one's getting kind of old, but we're gonna use her till she dies. Alright, so we got some lashes, some brows on. I put on my lip combo. Today is the ColourPop BFF3 and the Natasha Denona Anita Nude and Jennifer. And we are going to try this highlight. I am so excited. This has been a long time coming. Like, look at that. It looks like gold and then it looks like pink. Oh, so sick. I'm going to take this. It's my Ray Ray highlighting brush from my Revolution. Oh my goodness, I like did a little too much. I'm glad I got this fluffy brush, and we're gonna try her on. Oh, she's so pretty. Oh, looks so pretty. Let's do the other side. Can see that a lot better. Look at that forehead gleam. I'm gonna take this sponge and just kind of press it into the skin a bit. I don't like my highlighters to sit on my skin. I want it to be melted in. And that looks so stunning. I'm going to show you a swatch on my finger. What she looks like. Look at that. The pink to the gold. Okay, I just want to say that I am loving this eyeshadow palette. I love the shades. I love the highlight. I regret not getting it sooner. It is absolutely everything I thought it was going to be. Wow. This really this brand really blew me away. If you are interested in Givemeglow, I would definitely check them out. They have a couple other they have a Christmas palette that's really cute. They still, I think, carry the summer vibes if you're into that. And yeah, I just love this look, and I am obsessed with the highlighter. There's also a couple other shades in this that I would definitely consider checking out. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and come back to see me again. I love hanging out with you guys, and until next time, love you guys. Bye.